Hello guys, welcome back. Happy to see you again in this exciting video. In this video I would like to share about the Flatten Deformer. So the deformer can be accessed from the move tool manipulator. We have a gear symbol here. Just I will click there and then you have this deformer called Flatten. So I select that deformer here and then you should be able to see there are 4 handles. So I just select that handle and then drag it and you should be able to see the points are pushed to one flat surface. Okay, so where can we basically use this? For that I would like to show you a different model here. So this is the model which I have sculpted, and I just wanted the back part of this model to be pretty flat. So I would like to select the gear model again, a gear button, and then just select the flatten there. I should be able to see this handle is very much oriented to certain axis, and why is that happening here is if I just select this manipulator here, you should be able to see this manipulator orientation is this way. So what I have to do is I need to rotate this. While I'm rotating the manipulator, or when I'm moving the manipulator, I'm holding Alt and then I'm just rotating it. So I'm trying to define the plane at which this flatten deformer should align. So I select the gear button and then just choose the flatten there, and then when I click and drag this handle, then you should be able to see the points are pushed, and then you get that nice flat surface there which can trim out the backside faces. It's not really trimming, but it's just pushing the points to one flat plane there. And then once that is accepted, you can go to the click and then say accept button, and then your model is flat on the back. So this tool can be used to flatten things like that, and then place it for surface murals and any ornamental designs like that. Guys, I hope you like the video. If yes, just hit a like button. Feel free to leave a comment in the comment section about anything you want to know, and also please subscribe the channel for more such content on my channel. Thank you.